Breaking news for CBSE, ICSE and West Bengal higher secondary students. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, the Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE has decided not to continue the pending exam of class 10 and 12 scheduled from July 1st. The board would now assess the previous 3 examinations and declare the class 10-12 results by July 15. The government told the court there will be no exams for class 10. Students of class 12, however, will have the opinion to choose to either be evaluated on the basis of past marks or appear for exams when the situation is conducive. Solicitor General Mehta told Supreme Court that the July 2020 rescheduled examinations were being cancelled due to the worsening conditions of COVID-19 in India. Many schools which were CBSE exams centers have now been converted into quarantine centers across the country. Similarly, Advocate Joydeep Gupta, appearing for CISCE at the Supreme Court on June 25th, said that the ISC board examinations will also follow the CBSE decision of cancelling examinations, but their evaluation process may be different. Supreme Court had asked CBSE to give a fresh notification with respect to the issue of opting between internal assessment and exam, as well as on the declaration of results. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell button to get notification of further videos as early as possible.